Technique and a style that we teach our students here at the Academy. And being that we are a classical ballet academy, we also are able to pass on the knowledge and the tradition of all of the great ballets such as Swan Lake and Paquita and Sleeping Beauty and Coppelia and many other ballets to our students as well, and Giselle, which we just performed in June. Teach them, of course, the history of the ballet, the terminology of the ballet, and definitely the technique is part of the class. So they are learning all the technique that is learned at all of the prestigious ballet schools worldwide. It's the same codified style and technique that is being taught here as well. It makes a huge difference in their lives. It practically changes their lives. Even if they don't all go on to be ballerinas, that's not maybe the end goal, but it enriches their lives in a way that I think no other activity can. You know, it's an art form, and they are being exposed to beautiful music and learning how to express themselves and move their bodies to that music, as well as the many things that come from the discipline of classical ballet. It's a very disciplined art form, and it requires a lot of commitment and attention and to accomplish it. And my husband has an approach just like you would have if he was in a major city in the world, you know, teaching students who audition to get in. You know, it's the same atmosphere and the same respect is expected of the students here at our academy.
Nota sport fácil, é sport que tá bom, você tem dedicação para o que você faz, bom, você tem paixão para seguir e hopi gente que não sabe esporte pensa que tá gewoon mané baile, bota baile classe, bota assim a baile mas fácil meta nada, pero é dedica hopi de tempo. Bota um cupom hopi trabalho não diz ding lesna, pero também para fora de classe, bota conseguir stretch todo dia, bota echt dedicar tempo na esporte. Passou é nota fácil. Hopi gente tá bisa que o ballet tá gewoon baile feminino, que hopi mucha hombre no tá hasi ballet. En verdad no tá sina. Tem hopi mucha hombre que tá hasi ballet, pasodor que rol de mucha hombre tá nos precisa hopi fuerte, nos precisa hopi lenig, nos cinco hisa mucha mohena, nos cinco hasi ying manem amir bisa tricks que mucha mohena, dus nos tem parte basta importante ding ballet ding sport aqui se.